So dear students, let us start exercise 1B. We have done up to 4th question. Now exercise 1B, 5th question. Exercise 1B, 5th question. State true or false. State true or false. State true or false. So we have to state whether it is true or false. Now first it is 0 divided by 32 is 0. 0 divided by 32 is 0. Now let us check. 0 divided by 32, A divided by B, I can write A upon B. So that I can write 0 upon 32. Because A divided by B, I can write A upon B. A divided by B is A upon B. So 0 divided by 32 is 0 upon 32. Now where is this 0? This 0 is in the numerator and this 32 is in the denominator. So whenever numerator is 0 and the denominator is any positive integer or any negative integer, the value of that becomes 0. And since numerator is 0, so 0 divided by 32 will be 0. So the answer is true. So the given statement is true. 0 divided by 32 is 0, whether this statement is true. So 0 divided by 32 is same as A divided by B. A divided by B, I can write A upon B. So 0 upon 32, numerator is 0, so this whole term becomes 0. Then second, 0 divided by minus 9 is 0. Second, 0 divided by minus 9 is 0. So 0 divided by minus 9, A divided by B, A upon B. So 0 divided by minus 9 will be 0 upon minus 9. Now where is 0? Now this 0 is in the numerator. And where is minus 9? In the denominator. Again the numerator is 0. Now since numerator is 0, so 0 upon minus 9 is equal to 0. So again the given statement is true. We write true. So 0 divided by 32. Now what is 32? Positive integer. So 0 divided by positive integer is 0. Then 0 divided by minus 9. Minus 9 is negative integer. So 0 divided by minus 9 is also 0. So whenever 0 is divided by positive integer or negative integer, the value is 0. Whenever 0 is divided by positive integer or negative integer, the value is 0. Now next is minus 37 divided by 0 is 0. Minus 37 divided by 0 is 0. Third one. Minus 37 divided by 0 is 0. Third is minus 37. Third question. Minus 37 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Now let us check where is 0. Minus 37 divided by 0 minus 37 divided by 0, we can write minus 37 upon 0. A divided by B, I can write A upon B. So minus 37 divided by 0 is minus 37 upon 0. Now where is this minus 37? It is in the numerator. And where is this 0? 0 is in the denominator. So whenever, now the denominator, 0 is there in the denominator. Previous two questions, 0 was in the numerator. Since 0 was in the numerator, the answer was 0. But now here 0 is in the denominator. So here 0 is in the denominator. Here 0 is in the denominator. Here 0 is in the denominator. In the denominator you have 0. And therefore minus 37 upon 0 does not exist or is not defined. Is not defined. So whenever 0 is there in the denominator, it is not defined. It is not defined is same as does not exist. Does not exist. So if it does not exist, means it will not be 0. Minus 37 divided by 0 will not be equal to 0. So the given statement is false. The given statement is false. So whenever 0 is there in the denominator, whenever 0 is in the denominator, it is not defined. Because 0 is in the denominator. See, in the previous two questions, 0 was in the numerator, so the answer was 0. But in this question, 0 is in the denominator. Whenever 0 is in the denominator, minus 37 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined is same as does not exist. Does not exist means it has no existence. So if it does not exist, it will not be equal to 0. So if it is not equal to 0, the given statement is false. Next is fourth one. 0 divided by 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0. Whether it is true or false, we have to see. 0 divided by 0, 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Let us see. 0 divided by 0, we can write A divided by B. What is A divided by B? A upon B. So that is 0 upon 0. 0 upon 0. Now where is this 0? This 0 is in the numerator. This 0 is in the denominator. Again the denominator becomes 0. Again the denominator becomes 0. So 0 upon 0 is not defined. 0 upon 0 is not defined. So whenever denominator is 0, it is not defined. Not defined is same as does not exist. Not defined is same as does not exist. Does not exist. So if it does not exist, that means 0 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. So the given statement is false. 0 divided by 0 will not be equal to 0. So it is given equal to 0 and therefore the given statement is false. So what we are observing in these four questions, whenever numerator is 0 and the denominator is any positive integer, the value will be 0. Whenever numerator is 0 and the denominator is any negative integer, again the value will be 0. But whenever denominator is 0, whenever denominator is 0 or numerator is 0, denominator is 0, both, in both the case, it is not defined. Not defined means does not exist. Whenever denominator is 0, the division does not exist. If the division does not exist, it is not true. Is it clear? So when the value will be 0 whenever numerator is 0 and the denominator is any negative integer or any positive integer. In both the case it will be 0. And whenever numerator is 0 and the denominator is also 0, it is not defined. That division does not exist. Now let us see further sixth part. Let us see the sixth part. Write on fast. Let us see the sixth part. Let us see the sixth part. Let us see the sixth part. Evaluate. Sixth question. Sixth question is evaluate. Sixth question is evaluate. Sixth question. Evaluate. Sixth question is evaluate. Evaluate the given expression. Evaluate the given expression. In this, you have to use this BODMAS. BODMAS. First bracket opening. First bracket opening. Then second is division. Second position is division. Third is multiplication. Fourth is addition. And fifth is subtraction. So in this order you have to. In BODMAS, first you have to open the bracket. Then after opening the bracket, you have to perform the division if it is there. After division, multiplication. After multiplication, addition. After addition, we have subtraction. BODMAS. Is it clear? So first it is bracket opening. Bracket opening. Then second it is division. Second it is division. Third it is multiplication. Multiplication. Then fourth it is addition. Fourth it is addition. And fifth it is subtraction. Fifth it is subtraction. So in this order you have to solve the given expression. BODMAS. First open the bracket. After opening the bracket, perform division. After performing division, you perform multiplication. After multiplication, addition. After addition, you have subtraction. So in this order we solve the given expression. First it is, let us solve the first one. 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7 plus 4. 42 divided by 7 plus 4. So first, according to BODMAS, you have two signs, division and addition. So which is performed first? According to BODMAS, which is performed first, division or addition? First we perform division. So first we simplify this. 42 divided by 7 will be 6. Then plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 10. So now you have two symbols, division and addition. But according to BODMAS, which is performed first? First we perform division. So 42 divided by 7, 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. So that is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, now next, second question. Let us solve the second question. Twelve plus 18 divided by 3. Second question. 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 divided by 3. Which you will perform first? First you will perform division. first you will perform division. So that will be 12 plus 18 divided by 3. Yes, what is 18 divided by 3? This I can write 18 upon 3. 18 divided by 3, 18 upon 3. So that will be 12 plus, first we perform division. You can cancel 18 with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So that is 12 plus 6. And the answer is 18. The answer is 18. So now you have addition, you have division. Which is performed first? Division. So A divided by B, I can write A upon B. Then 18 you can cancel with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. 12 plus 6 will be 18. Now third is 19 minus 20. 19 minus 20 divided by 4. 19 minus 20 divided by 4. 19 minus 20 divided by 4. So this I am giving homework. Which you will perform first? First you will perform division, then subtraction. First you will perform division, then you will perform subtraction. First you will perform division, then you will perform subtraction. First you will perform division, then you will perform subtraction. So third I am giving homework. Third I am giving homework. So first in this you will perform division, then you will perform subtraction. Fourth one, 16 minus, fourth one, 16 minus 5 into 3 plus 4. 16 minus 5 into 3 plus 4. Now you have three signs. Minus, you have three symbols. Minus, multiplication and addition. So which is performed first? According to Bodmas. According to Bodmas, which is performed first? Minus, multiplication, addition. Bodmas, according to Bodmas, first we perform multiplication. So other number we keep as it is. This we perform first. So that is equal to 16 minus 5 into 3, 15 plus 4. So according to Bodmas, first we perform multiplication. So 5 3s are 15. Now again you have two signs, minus and plus. Which is performed first? Addition. So that will be 16. First we perform these two. Addition. First we perform this. So this is 15 is having minus sign. 4 is having plus sign. Minus and plus, opposite sign. So whenever you have opposite sign of integer, you have to subtract smaller from bigger and take the sign of bigger number. So that will be 16, 16, then 15 minus 4 is 11. Which number is bigger? 15. What is sign of that? Minus 11. Minus 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. 15 is bigger. Take the sign minus. Now 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 minus 11 is 5. So the answer is 5. The answer is 5. Then fifth one, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 minus 6 divided by 2. Minus 6 divided by 2. Minus 6 divided by 2. 6 minus 8 minus 6 divided by 2. So which you will perform first? According to Bodmas. First I will perform division. This expression I will simplify first. So this I can write 6 minus 8 minus, it is A divided by B. I can write A upon B minus 6 upon 2. A divided by B, I can write A upon B. Now minus sign and minus sign, minus sign and minus sign in the numerator, minus sign and minus sign is there in the numerator. See this part. So 6 minus 8 we write as it is. 6 minus 8 we write as it is. 6 minus 8 we write as it is. 6 minus 8. Then you have minus minus sign together. Whenever you have minus minus sign together, minus into minus will be plus. So we write plus 6 by 2. Plus 6 upon 2. Now you can cancel 6 with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So this becomes 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 plus 3. 6 minus 8 plus 3. This becomes 6 minus 8 plus 3. 6 minus 8 plus 3. Now according to BODMAS, which is performed first? First we perform addition. So this we perform. So that will be 6. Now this is minus, this is plus. Opposite sign. So whenever you have opposite sign of integers, you have to subtract smaller from bigger and take the sign of bigger number. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Which number is bigger? 8. What is sign of that? Minus. So this becomes minus 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Now what is 6 minus 5? 1. Because they have opposite sign. Plus minus you have to subtract. So the answer is plus 1. The answer is plus 1. Now sixth is 13 minus 12 divided by 4 into 2. 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 So you have to solve the given expression as per BODMAS. Opening of the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So which is to be performed first in this? First we have division. So first I will simplify this and others we keep as it is. So that will be 13 minus 12. 12 divided by 4, I can write 12 upon 4 into 2. 12 divided by 4, I can write 12 upon 4. Then you can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So this becomes 13 minus 3 into 2. 13 minus 3 into 2. Now which is to be performed first according to BODMAS? Minus or multiplication? First we perform multiplication. So that will be 13 minus into plus minus. 3 into 2, 6. 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. 13 minus 6, the answer is 7. Clear? Okay. Now next is seventh one. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. So we have to solve this. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. So let us solve this. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. 16 plus 8. So which is to be performed first in this? You have plus sign, you have division sign, you have subtraction sign, you have multiplication. So which is performed first? First we perform division. So this we write 16 plus a divided by b, I can write a upon b, 8 upon 4 minus 2 into 3. So you can cancel 8 with 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This is 2. So this becomes 16 plus 2 minus 2 into 3. First we perform division. 8 divided by 4 will be 2. Now again you have plus sign, minus sign, multiplication. Which is to be performed first? First we perform multiplication. So that will be 16 plus 2, then minus into plus. 2 is having minus sign, 3 is having plus sign. So minus into plus will be minus, 2 into 3 is 6. Now again you have plus sign and minus sign. According to BODMAS, which is performed first? First we perform addition. So 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. The answer is plus 12. The answer is plus 12. The answer is plus 12. Now next it is, so according to BODMAS, whenever you have to solve the given expression, you have to use BODMAS. First open the bracket, then perform division, then perform multiplication, then perform addition, then subtraction. Step by step. Now 8th one, let me list all the problem. 8th one, let me write all the problem. 16 divided by 8, 16 divided by 8 plus 4 minus 2 into 3. Let me list all the problem first. Then 9th one, 16 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2 into 3. Divided by 2 into 3. Then 10th one, minus 4 plus minus 12 divided by 6. Divided by minus 6. Divided by minus 6. Minus 4 plus minus 12 divided by minus 6. Then 11th, minus 18 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 5. Then 12th, it is minus 20 into minus 1, minus 20 into minus 1 plus 14 divided by 7. Plus 14 divided by 7. So these are the 12 problems. Let me give 8th one as homework. Let me give 8th one homework. Then 9th one also homework. Let me do 10th one. Let me solve 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 10th one. Now 10th one is minus 4 plus minus 12 divided by minus 6. So now we apply BODMAS. You have minus sign, you have plus sign, minus sign and division. Which is to be performed first? First we perform this division. We perform minus 12 divided by minus 6 first. So minus 4 we keep as it is, minus 4, then plus minus 12 divided by minus 6. A divided by B I can write A upon B, minus 12 upon minus 6. Minus 12 upon minus 6. Then this minus sign get cancelled. And you can cancel number 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So what is left? Left is minus 4 plus 2. Minus upon minus will be plus. Minus upon minus will be plus. So minus 4 plus 2. Now 4 is having minus sign, negative sign. 2 is having plus sign. So whether they have opposite sign? Yes or no? 4 is having minus sign, 2 is having plus sign, they have opposite sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. Smaller number from bigger number, take the sign of bigger number. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. And which number is bigger? 4. What is sign of that? Minus. So answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. So in this it is minus 12 divided by minus 6. Minus will be, minus upon minus will be plus. 12 divided by 6. I can cancel. 6 2s are 12. Minus upon minus will be plus. 6 2s are 12. So it will be plus 2. Now 4 is having minus sign, 2 is having plus sign, opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. 4 minus 2 is 2. Which number is bigger? 4. What is sign of that? Minus. Answer is minus 2. The next 11th one. Let me solve 11th one. So in all these algebraic expression, whichever expression you have to solve, we use BODMAS. We have used BODMAS. First open the bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Now 11th one, minus 18 plus 6 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3 plus 5. Now according to BODMAS, first we perform this division. So other number we keep as it is. So minus 18. Then A divided by B, I can write A upon B, 6 upon 3. Plus 5 we keep as it is. Now you can cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So this is 2. So next it will be minus 18 plus 2 plus 5. Now which is performed first? Minus 18 in the bracket. Let us see. Now this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. So first I will perform these two first. So this will be minus 18. Now we remove the bracket. Minus 18 plus 2 plus 2. Plus plus means same sign. You have to add and take the common sign. 5 plus 2 is 7. And what is the common sign? Plus plus. Common sign will be plus. So plus 2 plus 5 will be plus 7. Now next step. 18 is having minus sign. 7 is having plus sign. Minus and plus, they are opposite sign. And whenever you have opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. minus and plus opposite sign. Opposite sign, you have to subtract smaller number from bigger number and take the sign of bigger number. So 18 minus 7 is 11. Which number is bigger? 18. What is sign of that? Minus. So it is minus 11. Answer 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 is minus 11. Now last question, that is 12th. 12th question. Minus 20. Minus 20. 12th question. Minus 20 into minus 1. Minus 20 into minus 1 plus 14 divide by 7. So according to BODMAS, whether you will perform multiplication or division. First I will perform division. So minus 20, other number we keep as it is. Minus 20 into minus 1 plus A divided by B, I can write A upon B, 14 upon 7. A divided by B, I can write A upon B. Then you can cancel 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So next step it will be minus 20 into minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2. Now which you will perform first? Multiplication or addition? According to BODMAS, first we perform multiplication. Now in multiplication you have to be careful about the sign of two numbers. This is minus sign, this is minus sign. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus, it will be plus. 20 into 1, 20. So minus 20 into minus 1 will be plus 20. Minus into minus plus. So plus 20 plus 2. Now both have same sign, plus plus, so we have to add the number. So plus 20 plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22, and take the common sign plus. So plus 22 we write simply 22. Plus 22 we write simply 22, because for positive integer we don't show the sign plus. So in this question there was multiplication and there was division. So which is performed first? Division. So 14 divided by 7, A divided by B, I can write A upon B, 14 upon 7. Then you can cancel 7 2s are 14. So minus 20 into minus 1 plus 2. Now you have plus sign and you have multiplication sign. According to BODMAS, which is performed first? Multiplication. So minus into minus plus, 20 into 1 is 20. So we write plus 20. Then plus 2. Now both have same sign, plus plus. So sign will be plus 20 plus 2, 22. Plus 22 is same as 22. So this complete our exercise 1B. This complete exercise 1B. Next period we will solve the problem of exercise 1C. Okay, bye everybody. Bye. Bye everybody.